Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we started the chemical properties and general characteristics of alkali metals compounds. Alkali metals are highly reactive elements. Okay, what is the reason? The cause for their high chemical reactivity is low value of first ionization enthalpy, large size, and low heat of atomization. Up to here, we are discussing. Okay, so what are the chemical properties? Today, I am going to discuss about the alkali metal reactions. Today I am going to discuss about the alkali metal reactions. Okay, first one, reaction with air. Alkali metals react with air. Okay, what will form? We will discuss. Chemical properties. In that first one is a reaction with air. Reaction with air. Okay, reaction with air. The alkali metals tarnish in dry air due to the formation of their oxides, which in turn react with moisture to form hydroxide. They burn vigorously in oxygen forming oxides. That means alkali metals tarnish in dry air due to the formation of their oxides, which in turn react with moisture to form hydroxides. Generally, alkali metals are, when it is reacting with dry air, due to the formation of their oxides. Air means oxygen only. Alkali metals reacting with oxygen, they form oxides. For suppose in the previous classes in the CBS also we are discussing magnesium. When we are burning the magnesium ribbon in presence of air, what happened? Magnesium oxide will be formed. Did you remember that reaction? Magnesium is reacted with oxygen. Oxygen means air. Okay, to form magnesium oxide. Already you know. In the same way, the alkali metals are reacting with air to form their oxides. So, due to the formation of their oxides, they are reacting. In turn, react with moisture to form hydroxides. For suppose it is react with moisture means it will be form the hydroxide. Alkali metals react with oxygen means it will be form oxides. It will be react with moisture means it will be form hydroxides. Oxides and hydroxide. When oxides will be formed, when hydroxides will be formed. When it is react with alkali metals, when it is react with air, it will be form oxides. When hydroxides will be formed, when alkali metals are reacted with moisture, it will be form hydroxides. Okay, they burn vigorously in oxygen forming oxides. Already we are discussing about the magnesium. The alkali metals are reacted with oxygen to form oxides. The alkali metals react with oxygen, react with dry air or oxygen, react with oxygen to form oxides, which in turn react with moisture, to form hydroxide, hydroxides. Okay, they burn vigorously in oxygen forming oxides. And next point, lithium forms monoxides, sodium forms monoxide in limited supply of oxygens, and peroxide in excess of oxygen. The other metals form superoxides. That means limited supply of oxygen. When limited oxygen is there, that time lithium sodium will be formed monoxide. Monoxide means mono. Mono means what? Single oxygen atom is there, means we can call monoxides. When it will be formed the monoxides, lithium and sodium, when we are supplying the limited oxygen, it will be formed monoxide. And in presence of excess oxygen, it will be formed the peroxides. Excess of oxygen, in presence of excess of oxygen, it will be formed peroxides. The other metals form superoxides. Okay. Lithium forms monoxide. Lithium forms monoxide. Li2O. Lithium forms monoxide. Sodium forms monoxide. Sodium forms monoxide. Sodium forms monoxide. Lithium forms monoxide. Sodium forms monoxide. In limited supply of oxygen. In limited supply of oxygen. In limited supply of oxygens. And peroxide will be formed, in excess of oxygen. Now see, lithium forms monoxide, sodium forms monoxide. Here one oxygen atom is there, lithium Li2O, Na2O. This is called monoxide. One oxygen atom is there. When it will be formed the monoxide, lithium and sodium, in limited supply of oxygen. They will be formed monoxides. And peroxide means Na2O2. Here two oxygen atoms is there. Here monoxide means single oxygen. Here two oxygen is in peroxide, Na2. Metal is the 2 is there and oxygen is the 2 is there, so we can call peroxides. Na2O2. Okay, so peroxides, when it will be formed in excess of oxygen, one is a limited oxygen. In presence of limited oxygen, they will form monoxides. In presence of excess oxygen, they will form peroxides. The other metals form superoxides. The other metal forms form superoxides. What is the formula of superoxide? MO2. Okay, metal is a one. M means here any metal, any alkali metal. M means metal. Oxygen 2 atoms. Okay, metal is a single and oxygen 2 is. This is superoxides. Okay, here we are discussing monoxide and peroxide and superoxide. Once you have to check the formulas is different. Monoxide means only single oxygen atom. Peroxide means metal atom is a 2 and oxygen also 2. What is the superoxide formula? MO2. Metal is a single and oxygen is a 2 atoms. This is superoxides. Okay, and next point, the superoxide ion is stable only in the presence of large cations, such as the superoxide ion. Superoxide ion formula O2. Already we had superoxides O2. Okay, the superoxide ion is stable. When it is stable, only in the presence of The superoxide ions are stable only in the presence of large cations. Large cations. So, what is the large cations? Such as, which is the large cations? Potassium plus. If we mention the plus means that is a cation. Already you know. If we mention the minus means that is an anion. These are the large cations. Potassium, rubidium, cesium plus. These are the superoxide ion is stable only in the presence of large cations. Okay. So superoxide ion, when it is stable, only in the presence of large cations. And you can write the reaction. 4 moles of lithium is reacting with oxygen to form, here lithium with oxygen. We are discussing about the reaction with air. Metals, alkali metals reacting with air. So 4 moles of lithium is reacted with oxygen to form 2 moles of lithium oxide. 2 moles of lithium oxide. And another reaction, 4 moles of sodium is reacted with oxygen to form 2Na2O. Okay, here oxygen is a limited or excess. What is the formula? Na2O. So Na2O means it is a monoxide. Single oxygen is there. So monoxide, when it will be formed? Limited air. This is a limited oxygen. Here no place, that's why I written on the arrow. Okay, but we have to mention here oxygen only. Okay, next, 2 moles of sodium is reacted with oxygen. Okay, here it will be formed Na2O2. Na2O2 means peroxide. When peroxide will be formed? In limited supply of oxygen or excess supply of oxygen? This is a excess. This is a excess. Na2O2. Okay. So in the presence of excess oxygen, it will be formed the Na2O2. That is the Na2O2. What we can call? That is the peroxides. And metal plus oxygen excess. If we take the oxygen is excess, metal plus oxygen gives rise to MO2. This is the superoxides. Already we have discussed about the O2. Superoxide ion is stable only in the presence of large cations. Okay, here M is equal to what? Alkali metals, large alkali metals, potassium, rubidium, cesium. M is equal to potassium, rubidium, cesium. Okay, so this is superoxides. Monoxide, peroxides, superoxide. Did you understand the variation? Monoxide, peroxide, superoxide. Okay, mono means one, peroxide, Na2O2. This will be from the excess of oxygen. And superoxides, metal oxides, MO2. That is the superoxides. Okay, now in all oxides, alkali metal shows +1 oxidation state. Already we know the alkali metal shows the +1 oxidation state in all oxides. Oxides means metal react with oxygen to form metal oxide, that is called oxides. Okay. The next point is, in all oxides, alkali metals show which oxidation state? +1 oxidation state. +1 oxidation state. +1 oxidation state. In all oxides, alkali metals shows +1 oxidation state. And next point, lithium shows exceptional behavior in reacting directly with nitrogen of air to form the nitride. Lithium shows Lithium shows exceptional. Lithium shows exceptional behavior. Exceptional behavior in reacting directly with. In reacting directly with. In reacting directly with nitrogen of air. Nitrogen of air to form the nitride. Nitride. What is the nitride formula? Li3n. Li3n. Okay, lithium shows exceptional behavior in reacting directly with nitrogen of air to form the nitride. Okay, nitride formula N, Li3n. And next point, due to high reactivity with air and water, alkali metals are highly reactive metals. Already we are discussed. Due to their highly reactive with air and water, alkali metals are kept in kerosene. Generally, alkali metals are preserved in kerosene. Why we are preserved in kerosene? Due to high reactivity with air and water. Except lithium. Okay, except lithium, they are remaining alkali metals, they are kept in the kerosene. Okay, what is the exception of lithium? Why it is not kept in kerosene? Lithium, already we are discussed in the previous classes. Lithium is kept in the paraffin wax because of it floats on the kerosene due to less density. Lithium having the low density in alkali metals. Okay, which is the lowest density metal? Lithium. Lithium is the lowest density. Okay, next point. Due to high reactivity with air and water, alkali metals are except which element? Except lithium. Except lithium, we can kept in kerosene. Okay. And next point. What is the next point? Lithium is kept in, where we have to kept the lithium? Lithium is kept in paraffin wax. Because it floats on the kerosene. Due to less density. Okay, lithium is kept in paraffin wax because of it floats on the kerosene due to less density. Okay, this is about the reaction with air. Alkali metals are highly reactive metals. They are reacting vigorously with oxygen in presence of limited air and excess oxygen and limited oxygen. If we reacted with limited supply of oxygen, means it will be form the monoxides, and in presence of excess oxygen it will be form the peroxides and superoxides. Okay, superoxide ions are stable only in the presence of large cations, potassium, rubidium plus, cesium plus. Okay, so this is about the reaction with air. Next class we have to discuss reaction with dihydrogen. Okay, thank you.